Welcome back, word enthusiasts. The word for today is abstract, and if you didn't know already, abstract can either be a noun, a verb, or an adjective. As a noun, abstract can mean a summary of the contents of a book, an article, or a speech. Or, the noun can also refer to abstract works of art. As a verb, abstract can mean to extract or remove something. However, in today's video, we're going to be focusing on abstract as an adjective, inasmuch that it's more commonly used in this form. As an adjective, abstract means existing purely in thought, or as an idea, feeling, or a quality, but not as a material or physical object. The second meaning of abstract as an adjective relates to art that does not attempt to relate to external reality, but rather art that seeks to achieve its effect using shapes, colors, and textures, something like in this image. Some synonyms for the first definition of abstract, existing purely in thought, or as an idea, feeling, or a quality, are theoretical, conceptual, notional, hypothetical, or academic. For example, truth, beauty, and love would be considered to be abstract concepts, seeing that they have no material existence. Or, in philosophy, many concepts are too abstract to be easily understood without concrete examples. Now let's hear the word being used in context.
The utter poverty that exists in many places. So for instance, in Africa, where I grew up in Nigeria, 500 million people in Africa live on less than $2 a day. That's more people than the population of the entire European Union, which is roughly 440 million since the UK left. And then there's another couple 100 million people who live on maybe $4 or $5 a day. Okay? Now, people here find this even difficult to imagine. They see the pictures, of course, and they see the, Oxfam charity when they're raising charity for, kids who may be hungry in places. They see all that, but it's still abstract. It's still abstract.
So there you have it. Our word for today is abstract, and as an adjective, it means existing purely in thought, or as an idea, feeling, or a quality, but not as a material or physical object. Aside from truth, beauty, and love, if you can think of any other abstract concepts, then please leave them in the comments below. And to learn even more words, and to facilitate you in building your vocabulary, feel free to visit the word repository on our channel.